Alright, put 100 in. Got an upgrade on a $2 bet, pennies. Let's have some fun, please. No mega hat. No mega hat. Oh, it's a mega hat. Oh no, buzzsaw. Alright, I'll take that. At least we have two on the same line. Anything super, I'll take. Let's go, whoopee. These retrigger a lot. Hat, please. Hat. No, what the fuck is that shit? What the fuck is that? Hat. Oh, you got Ebola? Thank you. You got a first mansion. Keep doing that. Hat. Thank you. Okay. Let's go. Hat. No, don't do that shit. Let's do spins like that. Hat. Alright, thank you. We'll take another mansion. Two more, actually. And slotty. Come on. Hat, fucker. Oh, no. Hat. How do you not re-trigger? I mean, I appreciate the line hit, but I would appreciate some freaking hats. Need more mansions than 3. Hat me. Thank you. Alright, I need more mansions than 4. Let's say that. Hat, fucker. Alright, last game. Come on. Hat the shit out of me. Hat. What the fuck is that? Damn, so many dead spins. Oh, we got 4 mansions, that's it? Alright. I guess I can't be too mad. It gave me $55 in line hits. It wasn't like I landed the gold saw. This was a wheel upgrade, so. Yeah, something. Not too bad. I didn't get that many. Bonus. Got 4 mansions. Maybe he'll do something. I'll take that. It's only a $2 bet. It's $200, so because it's 50. I have 55 in line hits. That's not bad. Yeah. You too. Good luck. Thank you, Wolfie.